District ya Kagadi eyine bikaijo byingi munonga ebyakubire nibireta abahingi batunga factory ya shukari rero bakabona katare bita cy'obusasi factory tekabahebwaga abahingi aba nibajyaga bakahinga bikaijo ebi barikureba barugobamu nk'ebindi bihingwa bita cy'obusasi no kushanga ngo hati akatare kabuzire bashobora kunobwa hati za banka nizibabanja sente nyamwingi kandi abandi tibakirara amaju gabo ahabwa amabanja ubwo bine bikaijo byabo ebiliyoni bijunda erisataremwa oineza eka 25 z'ebikaijo muri Nyamarembo omugombora ya Bwikara nagira ngo bakoze rero ya biliyoni nka mukago mbikaijo kandi ngo hati loni zibarukubi
hano hiya tukozire losi ya biliyoni mukaga 6 biliyoni ebikaijo nibajana batubiyana batugamba baratema nibamara kubitema omuhaire nenguze nejya natwara truck yemu
habona ko turabire mu yona tucwire mu kuhiga ebikaka binu twatendeka kuteka mu bicori nebihimba kandi twatwoze plan yetu yankora kwa neta kwa bwangu twabyare bikejo tuyambi
okurugerera abahinja aba obwa hati abamwe abana babo batandikire no kubingo mu mashomero ahabo kubara za school fees kandi obwo ebyo bugiga nebikaijo
kwatwaho RDC chairman fevu kwika mpaka ha national level mutuyambe titukyarara mu maju abana bali muka fizi yeremere kandi twine bikaijo hike 25
zibuke tukusanga muno mu bikaijo nitubatekere mu sente zingi twehozire mu banka nigatubanja nitubyale bikaijo baitu kubigura busaho
Yosi andibwami chairman w'entebe ya katana bwa district ya Kagadi na jangu district eji eshemeriro kutunga factory nuko abahinji batunja katare kebikaijo byabo kandi nka government naye base kutunga entasya okurga omukingo eki
nubo bwire bwetu Kagadi naito kufuna factory yebikaijo bukoza bali mibayitu ebikaijo baferekereire bihikizo bwire bagendo mbahindi katara bagenda hoyima nibagamba nitu abaragire mu birime ebindi byomere wano in terms of economy tukufera umusoro revenue
obuzibu bututungire mu bikaijo tukalime ebikaijo nibatunhize bikaje baje kubigura twatalibana n'ebikaijo bikaje byahika kukura cyonke bikaje bamara bayanga kubigura
Kashaija Milton Rugese orokora abahingi b'ebikaijo mu district ya Kagadi nagira ngo nka district bakasigara nyuma ombyentunguka kandi nukwe kushaba habeho factory nukwe nabo bagobore ombyo buhingi
ite munkurakurana tusigayire enyuma muno abandi bakurwanira university neite kuruga mubende paka ngusi okusera is a better institution of higher learning etarum nemu kandi abana tubayine kuruga mubende paka ngusi
aba Uganda Sugar Industry Stakeholders Council bijere nibarambura district ya Kagadi okwenda kwetegereza ubwingi bw'ebikaijo bibine kandi sa mu rugambwa okurire mukuru wa kanseji nagira ngo ebikaijo ebibarebire bishemirire kubana bitungisa factory
with much interest, and I'm sure Kato you are listening when we in the car. The farmers who have had there, whom we saw, because what brought us here was to see, not to hear any stories. What we saw, among the things that we have seen, include some farmers who have uprooted cane for other crops. We also saw
out of desperation.
We saw emotions.
Yes.
Number two, we saw again some farmers or fields which are in the what we categorize as overage bracket.
Yes. Kagadi ne maharaza district ziri kuhinga bikaijo munonga beto bakabura factory ekiriyo nkibabuza obusinge amakuru agagasha kwa Onesmus Turiyahabwe muri Kagadi
kate